The Dynaset HRVB hydraulic recycling vacuum bucket is a highly advanced and efficient piece of machinery designed for use in a variety of industries, including construction, demolition, and waste management. This hydraulic recycling vacuum bucket features a powerful hydraulic motor that provides ample suction power to quickly and effectively clean up and collect debris. The vacuum system is equipped with a high-efficiency filtration system, which traps even the smallest particles and prevents them from escaping back into the environment. The HRVB's innovative design incorporates a recycling system that allows for the continuous use of the collected material. The collected debris is fed through a series of filters and separators, which separate out any contaminants and leave behind a clean and reusable material. This recycling process is environmentally friendly and helps to reduce the amount of waste that is sent to landfills.